Good morning, everyone. Myself, Tejaswi. I'm working as assistant professor in Marri Laxman Institute of Technology and Management in CSC Department AML. Today, we are going to discuss the topic is network topologies. First of all, what is network topology? The network topology is the physical or logical arrangements of the devices and connections in a computer network. In these network topologies, our key types are included bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, ring topology, tree and hybrid topologies. There are 6 types of topologies. First one, bus topology, star topology, mesh topology and ring topology, tree topology and hybrid topologies. The types of network topologies. The main types of network topologies as we are discussing about previous as a bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. How many types of network topologies? Bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topologies. First of all, what is bus topology? The bus topology, all nodes are connected to a single central cable. In bus topologies, all nodes are connected to a single central cable. It is a simple and inexpensive for small networks, but if the main cable fails, the entire network goes down. Next one, star topology. All nodes connect to a central device. All nodes are connected to a central device. In this topology, all nodes connect to a central device. This is the most common topology, allowing easy management and expansion. If the central hub fails, the network fails. Next one, ring topology. In this ring topology, devices are connected in a closed loop where each node connected to two others. Data moves in one direction while reliable. One device failure can disrupt the entire network. Next one, mesh topology. In this mesh topology, every node is connected to a multiple other nodes, offering high redundancy. A full mesh connects every device to every other device, providing high reliability but high complexity and cost. Next one, tree topology. A hierarchical structure, often called a hierarchy star, where root nodes connect to other nodes in a tree-like branches structure suitable for large networks. Next one, final one, hybrid topology. A combination of two or more different topologies is called as hybrid topology. The main types of network topologies are bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. These are the types of the network topologies. First of all, the brief discussion about the star topologies. In the star topology is a network setup in which each device is connected to a central node called a hub. The hub manages the data flow between the devices if one device wants to send data to another device. This is the diagram of the star topology. The main hub is connected with different types of workstations. Next, what are the main characteristics of the star topology? The key characteristics of star topologies are: first one, central hub; second one, communication flow; third one, fault tolerance; fourth one, ease of management; fifth one, scalability. These are the main characteristics of the star topologies. Next one, mesh topology. The mesh topology is a network configuration where every device is interconnected with every other device. Mesh topology is a network configuration where every device is interconnected with every other devices, providing multiple routes for data to travel. This is the mesh topology diagram. Every device is interconnected with every other devices. This is called as mesh topology. It's providing multiple routes for a data to travel. Next, types of mesh topologies are two types. First one, fully connected mesh topology. Second one, partially connected mesh topology. The mesh topologies are two types. First one, fully connected mesh topology. Second one, partially connected mesh topology. Full mesh topology. This is the Full mesh and partial mesh topologies diagram. Full mesh topology. In this full mesh topology, all the nodes within the network are connected with every other. In this full mesh topology, all nodes within the network are connected with every other. Connected with every other. This is the diagram. Every other. If there are n number of nodes during a network, each node will have a n-1 number of connections. Each node will have a n number of connections. That is called as full mesh topology. Next one, partial mesh topology. The partial mesh is more practical as compared to the full mesh. In a partially connected mesh, all the nodes are not necessary to be connected with one another during a network. Next one, bus topology. The topology was bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. Second one, it is bidirectional. This is the diagram of the bus topology. Node 1 node is connected to the backbone coaxial cables, and the terminators and drop lines are interconnected with these nodes. Next one, the advantages of the bus topology. The advantages of the bus topology are: first one, if n devices are connected to each other in a bus topology. If n devices are connected to each other in a bus topology. Second one, coaxial or twisted pair cables are mainly used in coaxial and twisted pair cables. Coaxial or twisted pair cables are mainly used in bus-based networks that supports up to 10 Mbps. The cost of the cable is less compared to other topologies, but it is used to build small networks. Next, fourth one, bus topology is familiar technology as installation and troubleshooting techniques are well known. Next, CSMA or CD was the only MAC methods used in traditional bus Ethernet. This is the main advantages of the bus topologies. Next one, disadvantages. We have advantages and disadvantages of the every topologies. The disadvantages of bus topologies are: a bus topology is quite simpler, but still it requires a lot of cabling. If the common cable fails, then the whole system will crash down. The disadvantage of bus topology, the main, if the common cable fails, then the whole system will be crashed down. If the network traffic is heavy, it increases collisions in the network. To avoid these, various protocols are used in the MAC layer known as pure Aloha, slotted Aloha, CSMEs or CDs or etc. Adding a new devices to the network would slow down network. Security is very low. Next topology was star topology. A star may be local area network. A star may be a local area network topology where all nodes are individually connected to a central connection point hub. Where all nodes are individually connected to a central connection point hub. This is a star topology. The number of links required to connect nodes in the star topology is n, where n is the number of nodes. The hub or switch manages and control all functions of the network. The hub or switch manages and control all functions of the network. This is called as star topology. This star topology are two types, divided in two types. First one, active star topology. Second one, passive star topology. First of all, what is active star topology? In active star topology, the central hub regenerates the signals when it passes through it. This simply means that the hub not only works as a connectors but also boosts the signals and make sure the signals reach their destination properly. Next one, passive star topology. Passive star topology, the central hub simply connects the devices but does not generate the signal. In passive star topology, the central hub simply connects the devices but does not regenerate the signals. That is called as passive star topology. Next one, ring topology. In ring topology, the token ring passing protocol is used by the workstation to transmit the data, where token passing is a network access method in which a token is passed from one node to another node, and token is frame that circulates around the network. This is the diagram of the ring topology. In ring topology, the token ring passing protocol is used by the workstation to transmit the data, where token passing is a network access method in which token is passed from one node to another node, and token is a frame that circulates around the network. This is called as ring topology. Next, the advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. The advantages: the data transmission is high speed. The possibility of collection is minimum in this type of topologies. Cheap to install and expand. These are the advantages of star topology. The disadvantages of star topology are the failure of single node in the network can cause the entire network to fail. Troubleshooting is difficult in this topology. It's a less secure. Next one, tree topology. Tree topology is the variation of the star topology. This topology has hierarchical flow of data. In tree topology, protocols like DHCP and SAP means standard automatic configurations are used. The main tree topologies are here. Various secondary hubs are connected to the central hub, which contains the repeaters. It is a multiple point connections and non-robust topology because if the backbone fails, the topology crashes. This is a star topology diagram. The data flow from top to bottom, that is from the central hub to the secondary, and then the devices are from bottom to top, that is device to the secondary hub, then the current central hub. Next, the disadvantages and advantages of the tree topology. The advantage of tree topologies are it allows more devices to be attached to a single central hub, thus it decreases the distance that is traveled by the signal to come to the device. It allows the network to get isolated and also prioritized from different computers. We can add new devices to the existing network. Disadvantages of tree topology: if the central hub gets failed, the entire system fails. The cost is high because of the cabling. If new devices are added, it becomes difficult to reconfigure. Next topology are hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a combination of all the various types of topologies. It is a combination of all the various types of topologies. We have studied the above. The hybrid topology is used when the nodes are free to take any form. It means this can be individual, such as ring or star topology. Each individual topology used the protocol that has been discussed earlier. This is the hybrid topology diagram. The advantages and disadvantages of hybrid topology. The advantage of hybrid topology: this topology is very flexible. The size of the network can be easily expanded by adding new devices. It is challenging to design the architecture of the hybrid network. Hubs used in these topologies are very expensive. The infrastructure cost is very high, as a hybrid network requires a lot of cabling and network devices. These are the total types of network topologies. Thank you.